Toronto, baby.
The only way to drive. Well, guys, episode 5 was off to a good start until O'Reilly sold me a bad caliper. It was leaking everywhere. We're trying to beat the brakes and fucking pissed me off. Sorry for cussing so much. So then I went back and they're like, yeah, no problem, we'll exchange it. So then I had to wait an extra day. I did that Tuesday, I had to wait till Thursday, which is today, to get the new caliper. It looks really fucking nice, right? It looks amazing. I'm so excited to put it on. And I was trying to put it on, and I was wondering why the e-brake cable shit wasn't lining up. And I was like, well, let me check. I go to look, it's for the fucking passenger side, R for right. So now I'm upset. But I'm not upset like, wah, wah, wah. I'm just like, damn. Today was gonna be the day we were gonna bleed the brakes and get this puppy on the road. But now it's probably gonna take a goddamn another year. I'm just kidding. Hopefully, I don't know, hopefully they get a new one soon. But good news is, I guess for today, is Nick sold me an Arrow full kit. So I guess me and Austin are gonna put that on, and then we'll go to O'Reilly's and play the waiting game some more. Episode 5's off to a kicking start. So many fucking 240s out here. Yep. That. Look at that. Alright, so as you can see, we had pulled off the stock bumper. It's honestly a pain in the ass because we had to pull up the bumper support. But me and Austin got it back on, so I have some type of reinforcement, and I pulled these off the stock bumper. And now I need to just trim off that excess fat. And then on that side, there's a little piece of fiberglass right here. So I just need to shave, and then I need to widen these holes a little bit so they fit in right. And the back bumper should be going on. And then we're gonna fasten the side skirts, and then the Arrow should be complete. Today wasn't a total bust. Episode 5 still gonna be lit. We're driving it soon. We got enough off. Can't really see. Come on. Boom. One side is done. I think that's gonna look sick.